Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have Klipsch T5-2 true wireless ANC earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them, you're going to want to do this reset for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case these earbuds are not working for some reason, like they're not connecting to your phone, or they're not syncing or not pairing with Bluetooth, or if the left ear is not working or the right ear is not working, so you're only getting sound out of one ear. A factory reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now, if you decide you need a new set of earbuds, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to a good set at a good price. But anyways, the other reason you might want to do this is for whatever reason where you want to delete all the pairing history, clear everything out, so we can go ahead and set these up basically like they're new earbuds. It's really easy. All we need to do is, first things first, just go on your phone or whatever that you've had them paired with before and delete them off of there so they're not trying to connect or anything like that. Then we're going to take our earbuds out and we're just going to simultaneously hold both of the buttons on the back of the earbuds for 15 seconds. And after those 15 seconds, the lights on both earbuds will start to alternate between red and blue, and that's basically indicating that the reset is complete. You can go ahead and set these up as a brand new set of earbuds now.